Hey everyone, looking to boost your testosterone naturally? Let's talk about Alpha Force. Alpha Force is a testosterone support supplement formulated with ingredients like Phaedogia agrestis, Tonkatali, and Splintasis extract. These are known for their potential to enhance testosterone levels, improve energy, and support overall male vitality. Users have reported benefits such as increased strength, improved libido, and better workout performance. Some have even noticed enhanced mood and stamina. However, it's important to note that the individual's results can vary. While many users experience positive effects, others may not see significant changes. There's also a limited clinical evidence to fully support all the claims made by manufacturer. If you're considering Alpha Force, it's recommended to take 3 capsules in the morning and 3 in the evening with food for an 8 to 12 week cycle. No post cycle therapy is required. In conclusion, Alpha Force may be worth trying if you're looking for a natural testosterone booster. Just remember, results can vary, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.